Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every HVAC professional, the best refrigerant key. This isn't just any ordinary tool. It's the locking cap key for refrigerant safety caps, designed specifically for HVAC systems. If you work with refrigerants, you know how important it is to have the right tool to get the job done efficiently and safely. This product is exactly what you need to handle refrigerant safety caps, whether you're working with R22 or 410A systems. Now, let's talk about why this key is the go-to choice for HVAC professionals. First, it's all about versatility. The universal triple-use multi-key is compatible with a wide range of refrigerant locking caps. Whether you're servicing older systems with R22 or the newer systems with 410A refrigerants, this key is designed to fit them all. It has multiple key interfaces that allow it to interact with different locking mechanisms, which is a real game changer when you're working across various systems. One of the standout features of this key is its durability. It's made from high-quality metal, built to withstand the rigors of the job. HVAC technicians often work in tough environments, and this tool is engineered to handle frequent use in harsh conditions. It's sturdy, reliable, and sure to stand the test of time. You won't need to worry about wear and tear after just a few uses. But it's not just about strength. This key also boasts a design that makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. It's compact and lightweight, so whether you're moving between job sites or just need to keep it in your toolkit, it won't take up much space. It can even fit on your keychain, ensuring you'll always have it within reach when you need it most. This tool isn't just for convenience, though, it's also about security. The tamper-resistant locking caps that this key is compatible with help prevent unauthorized access to refrigerant systems, ensuring that you and your clients are always safe. That extra layer of security can make all the difference when working on sensitive HVAC systems. In addition, this key is essential for anyone who values efficiency. HVAC professionals know that time is money, and having the right tool on hand means you can get the job done faster and with less hassle. With the universal triple-use multi-key, you can tackle refrigerant safety caps without wasting time trying to find the right tool for the job. It's the all-in-one solution that makes refrigerant work a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned HVAC pro or just starting out, this universal locking cap key is a smart addition to your toolkit. It's built to last, designed for convenience, and engineered to keep your refrigerant system secure. Don't let the wrong tool slow you down. Invest in the best refrigerant key today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best tools to make your work easier and more efficient. See you in the next video.